In order to use Robinhood Legend for day trading, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the platform and place trades directly from the desktop layout. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. First, log into your Robinhood account on your computer and open Robinhood Legend. As soon as the platform loads, you'll see the main dashboard with different panels and a large chart area in the center. The first thing you want to do is organize your workspace. Look toward the top area of the screen and click on the option to add widgets. From there, you can add panels like positions, recent orders, watch list, and chart. Start by placing your positions widget in the top left corner of the screen. This allows you to quickly see what stocks you're holding, your share size, average cost, and your profit or loss. Next, add the recent orders widget and position it nearby so you can monitor any orders that are filled or still pending. Now move to the chart in the center of the screen. Click on the chart to adjust the time frame. You can switch between 1-minute candles or faster time frames, depending on how closely you want to track price movement. For day trading, shorter time frames are typically used, and you can change this directly from the chart settings along the top of the chart window. To start trading a stock, go to the watchlist panel and either select a stock already listed or type a ticker symbol into the search bar at the top of the platform. Click on the stock, and its chart will load in the main window. You'll see the current price updating in real time on the right side of the chart. When you're ready to enter a trade, click the Buy button on the right side of the screen. An order ticket will appear. Choose the number of shares you want to trade by typing the amount into the quantity field. Then select your order type. If you want immediate execution, choose a market order. If you want to control your entry price, select a limit order and enter the specific price you're willing to pay. After entering your order details, click Review, then Confirm and submit the order. Once submitted, you'll see the position appear in your Positions widget in the top left corner. Your real-time profit and loss will update as the price moves. To exit the trade, go to your open position in the Positions panel and click on it. Select Sell, enter the number of shares you want to close, choose Market or Limit, then review and submit the order. Once the sell order is executed, your position will be closed and reflected in your account summary. That's the basic process of setting up Robinhood Legend and using it to enter and exit day trades directly from the desktop platform. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.